Hey guys, I have some bad news for you. No new build video this week and probably not the week after either. Now this is all for a good reason. As some of you might know, I have a web shop, Thescalemodeler.com, and I have been doing that for the past 4 to 5 years now, and it has been growing steadily and now finally grew to a point where it doesn't fit in my house anymore, so I needed to move it to an office space. There were a couple of renovations that needed to be done. The lights were replaced with LED panels, the walls were painted, and of course some of the shelves were assembled as well. And then I still needed to do a lot of organizing, and I'm still busy with that at the moment, so I don't have time in between to build a model and make some videos on that. So please bear with me, give me some time, and I'll be back on the regular schedule pretty soon. And I will also update you on the workspace once there is more to show.